Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half acre homestead, and I want to show you how I clean my wooden cutting boards. Now this is my favorite cutting board. It was a gift from my brother, and it is just the right size for me. But wooden cutting boards will absorb a lot of stuff. So you got to occasionally give them a good scrubbing. And this is how I do it. Take a lemon. I take some salt, doesn't matter what kind. And then you just scrub. Don't be afraid to use lots of salt. Get into every little crevice. And because I use both sides of my cutting board, we repeat the process on the other side. Yes, my island's a mess. I just did my herbs, and they're in the dehydrator. One part I forgot to show you is once that is scrubbed in, you let the board sit for 5 minutes. And then you take like a dough scraper or a flat knife and you scrape all the gray stuff and sludge that is pulled out of the board. Rinse it on both sides and let it dry. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from our half acre homestead saying, and that's how you clean your wooden cutting board. Mwah! Take care. God bless.